Okay, guys, as third, I don't know, fourth video, this will be the last one. And in effect, we already put everything back on. New starter over here. We clean the EGR, we clean the EGR, the throttle, this pipe, and then we changed new battery just to make sure that everything was okay. Then after that, we're gonna put this like whole pipe for the intake, and well, let's give it a try. And voila, the moment of the truth. We did it. Finally, it's working. Now, well, time to go and have some fun with this baby and see how it works. So again, it was nothing here. It was nothing here. It was nothing because of the music. It was through the starter that was completely done. Now the car is ready to go. And well, another project that we did successfully. So now the car is running well, and well, this is gonna be the last video for this Volvo V40 2015. And again, as you can see, turn it off. We're gonna turn it on again. There we go. And well, guys, stay tuned for another problem that another projects that will come up. I got another few cars, so we're gonna do a little bit of everything. Let's just see how it goes. I think this is gonna be the last and the first and the last time I'm gonna tell you, never subscribe to my channel. Never. Just don't do it, okay? Just don't do it. Easy, don't do it. I'm not looking for a fame, I'm just looking for someone who can be able to learn or get into struggle with it. Stay tuned. See you until the next project. Bye.